Today we're going to take a look at the MEP100, Macnica's 100 gigabit SmartNIC card for SMPTE ST 2110 workflows in broadcast and ProAV. Inside you'll find the MEP100 itself, a PCIe Gen4 X16 card with dual 100 gigabit Ethernet ports featuring the latest Agile X7 FPGA for hardware-accelerated ST2110 video transport. Installation is straightforward. Insert the MEP100 into an available PCIe Gen4 X16 slot, connect your fiber cables, and you're ready to go. The MEP100 runs on Linux, macOS Sequoia 14.6 or later, and Windows 10, 11, and Circa 2022. Once installed, the MEP100 works seamlessly with Macnica's M2S SDK, a cross-platform ST2110 compliant development kit. The latest sample applications and framework integrations are available on GitHub, including support for popular media processing pipelines like GStreamer and FFmpeg. Configurations of the MEP100 support uncompressed, JPEG XS, or ProRes with any combination of up to 8 UHD or 32 HD streams in full duplex. Here, we're running a simple demo that streams live video, loops back for processing, and sends it out again to our test equipment. Watch as we perform a cable pull. The SDK reports the event with ST2022-7 hitless protection switching, keeping the video uninterrupted. With hardware-accelerated DMA, the MEP100 moves video data directly between memory and network, bypassing CPU for ultra-low latency. Built-in hitless protection switching ensures uninterrupted streams, and the cross-platform SDK lets you develop once and deploy anywhere. Compared to CPU-driven NICs, the MEP100 delivers higher throughput, lower latency, and frees your system resources for your application. Whether you're building the next generation of multiviewers, instant replay servers, direct-view LED controllers, or production switchers, the MEP100 pulls it all together. With full ST2110 support, a developer-first SDK, and support for every major platform, it's perfect for your next generation of products. And from diagnosis to documentation to direct support, we've got your back every step of the way. So come and visit us at macnica.com/MEP100 to find out more or to get in touch with us, because we would love to learn about what you're making next.